We saw a Moorish idol. It's up and out. It's over there flying across. Do what?
You want to sit there?
No, I'm good.
Where's the towels at? In the red bag. Are you gonna get in, Louis?
Yeah, as soon as I finish this droning. Too much high wind velocity. I hear that all the time. There it is.
Car keys. Where should I put the car keys?
In the black bag, there's a little accessory pocket.
I'll put it in this bag.
Okay. I got a set. Tommy, it's going to come and land right where you're at, I think. Yeah, it's going to land right there. Thank you for driving.
Sorry I'm being a jerk.
No, you're not being a jerk. You're being wonderful, actually. And relax. Yeah. Yeah, well, we'll have a chance to go over there afterwards. Don't just tell Keegan I'm taking a break. Okay. You have to step over here. The drone is right where your shorts are. There it is.
Which one is mine?
The yellow. That's mine.
Oh, I didn't bring my things.
Yeah, your yellow frog feet are in the bag. Watch, it's coming down.